A lot of times you might see me using a shortcut that shows on a screencast like GR-less. And basically this is just a key that is next to the Z on the left. Some keyboards have it, some keyboards don't. I specifically looked for a keyboard that does have one additional key between the Shift and the Z, because I really want to be able to quickly enable and disable wireframe overlay. So for example, when I'm sculpting or I have some more complex mesh that I need to check out or see the topology. So let me just subdivide this real quick, and I need to see the topology. I can just quickly hit the key and see the overlay. Of course, you can map this to anything you want. This is the custom mapping that I've made myself. And if you go here in the overlay, viewport overlays menu, you can find the wireframe option right here under geometry, and there's a little checkbox, and now if you uncheck it, it's disabled, and if you check this, you enable the wireframe overlay. So if you right click any checkbox, you can change the shortcut right from here. So I just click this and set the shortcut to the GR-less key, or you can just add this to quick favorites. So let me do that real quick. And now if you press Q, you can see the wireframe option right here, which isn't that fast. It's 2 clicks, or rather it's 1 more click. But if you don't have the spare button, the quick favorites menu is the way to go. And when speaking about the quick favorites menu, I use this quite a lot. I don't have many things here, but they're very useful, and I have quick access to them. And that's basically curve to mesh conversion and mesh to curve conversion. So for example, if I create some vert and extrude it, and I really want to convert this to curve right now, I just press Q and select curve from mesh, and then I can do all the curve operations I want there. So this is very easy. And then I can press Q again and create a mesh from this. So this is now converted to mesh. That's why I have this in the quick favorites, because otherwise I had to go to object and convert to and all that stuff. So this is a quick way how to do that. If you want to have this in your quick favorites menu, you just go to the option you want to add, let's say convert, right click, and you can see I have removed from quick favorites. Here you will see add to quick favorites there. So this way you can customize the Q menu however you want. I will remove this, and I have 2 more things there, object and data and object animation, and it's not quite clear what that means, but I will show you right now. It's when you go to the object menu, relations, and make single user, and there's object data and object animation, and this is to detach an object from linked duplicates. So sometimes when I use Alt D to duplicate an object, and then you assign some material to that, and you realize you don't want both of them to have the same material, you can now click one of them, press Q, and kind of break the link to the object and data, click OK, and now I can create a new material and change this. So that's why I have there. I use it quite often. And animation is the same thing. When I have the linked object and I want to detach the animation, I want to animate some duplicate a little bit different, I might use this. So this is just a quick explanation what you might see on the screen during the course, so you're not confused why something I have here look different than what you have. So okay, that's the wireframe overlay and quick menu, and we can move on to some add-ons.